Hephaestus, Greek god, crafts metals with unparalleled skill. Born from Hera, his appearance defined his unusual birth. Hephaestus was rejected by Hera, cast down from Olympus. Resilient, he found solace in the art of forge. His creations were grand, gifting gods with powerful armaments. Notably, he crafted the majestic shield for Achilles. Hephaestus forged aesthetic items, pleasing both gods and humans. Despite physical imperfections, his intelligence was undeniable. His workshop, a symbol of innovation, creativity, and resilience. Craftsmanship extended beyond physical. It was a means of expression. Hephaestus' mastery exemplified balance of form and function. His work elevated the value of craftsmanship and creativity. Materialism became evident through the god's reliance on his creations. Hephaestus elevated status through exceptional skills and dedication. His creations transcended utility, contributing to divine narratives. Craftsmanship contrasted with superficiality, celebrating genuine creation. Hephaestus demonstrated persistence despite societal rejection. His forge represents labor, creating beauty from chaos. Economic themes emerge from materialism and skilled labor. Hephaestus balanced personal triumph amidst divine challenges. He crafted chains for Prometheus, blending artistry and punishment. Symbolic creations reflect power dynamics among immortal entities. Hephaestus symbolizes creation, resilience, and economic influence. His forge, a testament to skill merging with divinity. The narrative captures artistry's impact on social hierarchies. Hephaestus underscored theme of redemption and self-worth. His legacy exhibits intersection of creativity and materialism. Hephaestus, a deity embodying artistry, innovation, and redemption. The myth illustrates intrinsic value of skilled craftsmanship. Hephaestus' journey reveals beauty in perseverance and creation. Through rejection, he crafted legacy, redefining divine craftsmanship.